Okay, so I do three different flights here. This one is going to be stock antenna, and the next one will be the Yagi antennas, and the third flight will be the parabolic reflectors. All three flights, I take the same route, and you'll see the
Take
results.
off.
Also, just grab the latest firmware for the quad, and also for the software for the Fly app. I'm using the Mini 5, iPad Mini 5 right now, and it seems
The
like you
home
have more
point has
features
been
on this
updated.
compared
Please
to
check it on the
the
map.
an Android device. So I was just strictly doing how good the signal is in this video. I didn't try any of the other function buttons or the two-time digital zoom with the pictures. Still pretty windy. So this is the new software, new update. Let's see how it does. I'm gonna turn the gimbal down just a little bit, about 10 degrees, because if I put it in
Addy
sport
mode.
mode, it says I got a weak GPS signal. I don't like that, so I'm gonna bring it down.
Addy mode. Landing. Addy mode. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
See you right off the bat, 16 satellites.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, so we're gonna gimbal down a little bit so I don't get that gimbal jerk. We're gonna kick it up 200 feet. I'm actually outside. I got 17 satellites now. Full signal. And this is stock. Wow. So maybe that new software is good. Bring it down a little bit. Oh, there's the gimbal jerk, but that's, I'm flying sideways. Alright. Look outside the house. Oh, I'm facing the other way. There you go, facing towards it, I'm good. So our signal's getting a little bit weak here. But still connected. Shoot down. There's the signal straight, and there's the box. Okay, so full strength. Let's see if we can go it this way. Last time I had 1,400 feet. I had full strength last time, but I had the boosters on, the antennas. There you go, full strength. Almost full strength. Not bad. Okay, now let's just do a beeline. Beeline home. So that should be around here. Kick it up to 200. full strength. Not bad. Not bad at all. Still full strength. And there's the house. Alright, let's bring this sucker down. Okay, so that's stock. Easily 1400, no problems.
Landing.
And that's with the new update for the signal. Okay, so now I have the Yagi antennas on. Just that, no parabolic. So,
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
so let's shoot it up to 200 feet. Take the same path. Put it in sport mode. Here we go.
Is this okay? What? I've never interviewed anyone before. I've actually never had anyone work for me before. Although when I was a kid, we did MMA, but this life isn't the same thing. No, dear, it's not.
So once again, still flying within the house. Shoot it up. RC signal always goes wacky there. Let's bring it down a little bit. Move it over. Let's go to that square. Bring it down. Signals a little bit, but always gets better here. And it does. Okay, so let's shoot out to the oh, okay, that's why. So here's the square, 1,000 feet out, full strength RC signal. It's good. Now let's go to the graveyard. Hit 1,400 feet and then come straight back. RC signal goes a little wacky. Then right about here goes full strength. Yeah. So stock or with the Yagi antenna does the same thing. Shoot it up 150 feet, 200 feet, full strength. Now let's beeline home. So right now I should be flying straight at myself. And full strength. And there's the house. Okay, let's bring it home. Hey, how are you?
Landing.
How you doing? So now the next flight, we're gonna stick the. Actually, let's keep it here. Okay, so this recording, just the parabolic reflector. 16 satellites, 15 satellites. All right.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So now when I have the parabolic dish or the Yagi, they're more directional, so I actually have to face where I'm going. Kick it in sport. Kick it up to 200 feet, and off we go. Okay, turn the gimbal down a little bit. Right there. Off we go. Strong wind warning. Now the wind definitely picked up because the first two flights I never got a strong wind warning, and here it's on the screen. We got a full battery, so we should be good. Maybe bring it down a little bit. Bring it down. RC signals going out. Kick it up to 200. Yeah, full strength again, almost full strength. Strong wind warning. It's getting pushed over to the left a little bit. So there's the square, 1,000 feet out, almost full strength. This is with a parabolic dish. Usually it conks out around here. And goes full strength again almost. So it looks like the Yagis might be a little bit better. 1,400 feet. Almost full strength. Same thing. So let's beeline back home. Kick it out to 200 feet. So in this flight, when I was trying to get to the graveyard, you could see that I was flying straight, but the wind was blowing it so hard I was actually flying to the right to keep going straight. Full so strength. That was weird. I've never had so many wind warnings before. And there's the house. Alright, we're here. So there you have it, 3 flights. First one was stock, with nothing on the antennas. Second one was with the Yagi-Uda directional antennas, and the last one, this flight, was with the parabolic dish. Either with the parabolic or all of them together. The times where the signals were signal is solid, iffy. It was consistent with whatever I had on the antenna, and even being stock. But I think the signal is definitely stronger with the new update. Pretty gusty up there.
Landing.
Well, that's it.